Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm Phillip for the STEAM instruction video. Today we're going to make a 3D tetrahedra. The 3D tetrahedra STEAM kit comes with 5 pipe cleaners, 50 coffee stirrer straws. You will need scissors to complete this kit. Tape is optional. First, cut each pipe cleaner into 3 equal segments. So you can take this and you can fold it into 3 equal pieces. And use your scissors to cut. All right, after you cut the 3 pieces, you'll connect them to create. By connect them, I mean connect the pipe cleaners to create an equilateral triangle using the pipe cleaners. So you'd have to kind of fold these, bend them. All right, and then you have your equilateral triangle. So you'll make some more triangles the same size. So I've done that already. And then you'll join the triangles together to make a tetrahedron or a pyramid with a triangular base. This may take some practice to figure out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect these. You'll have to push a second pipe cleaner into these coffee stirrers. Get them in there. I'll go ahead and And then now we need to connect this other piece. We'll use another pipe cleaner here, and we'll use another one here. Sometimes it's a little hard to get it started. There we go. So your 3D tetrahedron is complete. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And then you can make more tetrahedra by repeating the steps above and using the same size pipe cleaners to join the stirrers together. As you join the tetrahedra together, you may need to reinforce with extra pieces of pipe cleaner or tape. So you can see I made another one, and what you can do is you can join 2 pieces together, for example, by taking one apart and then pushing it in to another pipe. So this is just an example of how to join them together. Just an example. It's not completely joined together, but that's how you would do it. You can stack and join them and make them even larger tetrahedra and attach them at the points and at the edges or at the faces to create different types of structures. So this is 2 of my pyramids together. Let's talk about the tetrahedra in more detail. Most objects we see in real life are in 3 dimensions, or 3D. The 3 dimensions are often called length or depth, width or breadth, and height. Objects we see in books or on TV are 2D, meaning that they have height and width with no depth. The tetrahedra are 3D shapes, and you can think of triangles as their 2D relatives. Where have you seen a tetrahedron? Tetrahedra come in all shapes and sizes. You've probably seen them and you haven't even noticed. Many buildings use tetrahedra to support roofs using space frames, which strengthen the roof structure. Grocery stores stack spherical fruit like oranges and tetrahedra to maximize space. And you might have even played with tetrahedral dice. Thank you for joining me today for this STEAM video on 3D tetrahedra. I hope you enjoy making yours.